Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I'll show you how you can type superscripts and subscripts in Microsoft Word application. So superscripts are very important when you are typing exponents, and then subscripts are very necessary when you are typing some characters in chemical formulas in the Microsoft Word application. So in this very instance, the 5 and the 4 are the superscripts, and then the 2s are the subscripts in this very example. So let me take you through how you can type these superscripts and then the subscripts. So first off, just go ahead and then type out your characters, including the character you want to make a superscript or subscript. In this case, I'll type 308. I'm going to make the 8 a superscript, so I will highlight the 8. Click the arrow down in the fonts group. When you look at the fonts group, the arrow down at the bottom right corner, click on it, select superscript checkbox, click OK, and then the 8s would be made a superscript. So you can see that this is looking like a 30 exponent 8. Now let's look at subscripts. The same way I'm going to type this the chemical formula for water, which is H2O. So we're going to make the 2 a subscript. So highlight the 2, click on the arrow down in the front group, select subscript checkbox, click OK, and then the 2 would be made a subscript. So it's very easy to do, very simple, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe, like, and share the video to support us to bring you more of such videos. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.